Hello everyone, I am Shambhavi from Government Girls Polytechnic Gorakhpur. I have done training from TechPile Technology Private Limited on Android development, and with the help of TechPile teachers Rahul sir and Divya ma'am, I have made the project which is related to the college. So as you can see, this is the homepage of my app from which any student or admin can use the app. Here admins are our teachers. Firstly, I'll show the admin login. So in admin login, we have to enter admin's username and password, and then by clicking on login, we redirected to the admin's dashboard. So here you can see so many options and a menu. Firstly, we'll go to the first option, that is the student report. In student reports, admin can see the students record, that is how many students have registered from this app. Second option is add quiz, which will be available when teachers have to take the test. Third option is add assignment. In this page, admin can add day by day assignments for a student. So here you have to select courses, branch, year, and you have to enter the subject name, description of the assignment, and remark. And if you want to add PDF, that also you can upload. And after that, you have to click on the button and you will get the message assignment added successfully. Fourth option is add notification. In this, admin can add all the notifications and can inform the student. In this, you have to enter the subject and the description of the notice, and then click on the button and your notification is added. Next option is add subject. Teachers will add the subject when they have to take the test. And the last option is sign out. So we have to go through the menus options, so we will not click on this option. Now I show you the menus. So in this there are so many options which is also available on the dashboard. So from here you can go to any pages without going back to the dashboard. At last we will click on the sign out. Now we have come to the home page. From this, now we click on students login. So here we have not registered yet. So firstly we will register ourselves. To register ourselves, we have to enter roll number, name, course, branch, year, contact number, email ID, password, father's name and father's contact number. And when you filled all the details, click on the button and you will get the message. And your phone number is your username. Or if you have registered before, you can go back to the login page. Now we'll enter our username and password and then click to the login button. Now we have come to the student's dashboard. Here also you can see so many options. First option is profile. So in this option you can upload your picture and can update your details. Second option is assignment. So in this page students can see all the assignment and can download the PDF by clicking on the button. Next option is new notification. In this you can see all the notifications which the admin has added. Next option is add quiz. So this will be available when admin has to take the test, and after test report will be also available. And the last option is sign out. So we will click on it afterwards. Now look on to menu. From there also you can go to any page and move to another page without going back to the dashboard. At last I'll click on the sign out and we have come out from the student's login. So this is all about the app, and I hope you all have enjoyed very well, and thank you for watching. I thanks to the Rahul sir and Divya ma'am who has supported us and solved our errors and help us in making such a wonderful project. Thank you very much.